Hello friends, Happy New Year! This is Tiash from California. Welcome to Tiash's World. This is my first video in 2024. And in this video, I choose to make a healthy recipe for you friends. Because in this year, I want to reach more people and to guide them how to eat healthy. I am a certified health coach and I am practicing health coaching from 2017. In these 7 years, I saw amazing transformations in my client by simply changing their diet and lifestyle. So why not you? Let's grab a pen and paper and note down everything you need from this video. Thank you. Whole grains help in reducing cardiovascular disease, obesity, diabetes, cancer. It helps to improve gut health, improve brain function, clear our mind, and when it is fermented, it becomes more nutrition rich. For this recipe, I am using brown rice, quinoa, whole black lentils or urad dal, yellow lentils or moong dal. You can also replace the yellow moong dal with green moong dal. I am also using black chickpeas, and everything I took half cup. Then I am gonna wash them and soak them in clean water, and I am also going to add some cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds to increase the fermentation and also help in digestion. After soaking them, I grinded them into a paste. Now I am gonna add half cup of finger millet or ragi powder. Now my husband is helping to mix them with his hand. Yes, we need to mix them with our hand. The temperature from our body helps to increase the fermentation process and increase the number of good bacteria inside it. I also added some salt during this time, and now I'm gonna keep it inside my oven with lights on for 12 to 14 hours. Actually, it depends on where do you live and the temperature over there. Look how nicely it got fermented. Now it is ready to make some healthy idli. I'm gonna make it more nutritious today. See the twist. I grated some beetroot and now adding my batter over it. I'm gonna mix it thoroughly and make idlis out of it. Yes, by this way you can easily add whatever vegetables you like. Look, nice pink batter, and this is the result. Nice idli with chutney, and I am also eating some avocado in this way. Isn't it a healthy, nutritious and tasty meal? Don't believe in my words. Make it and see it. Yes, healthy food can be delicious also. Try it. And please comment below. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family or all your loved ones, because together we can build a healthy community. That is my request to you, and it is my mission. In this year, I want to reach as many people I can to help them and guide them how to eat healthy and tasty food. Hello! Where are you going? Don't skip the video. I'm gonna teach you how to make a healthy burger that you can make for your kids or for yourself. Why not? Yes. Take a piece of idli, add some guacamole, add some chutney on top, then add another piece of idli. Yes, your burger is ready. I totally forgot to add some lettuce or tomato, but if you have it, just add it and see how nicely you can make a healthy burger. Isn't it amazing? Yes, healthy food can be tasty. Idli is a nutrient-dense food, and you can make it a powerhouse of nutrients in this procedure. Do you know? If you eat fermented food more, you can lose weight too? Yes, fermented food helps in increasing the metabolism or digestion power, and by that way you can lose weight. So eat food and lose weight. Don't you want that? Go for it. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share with more people. In that way, remember, we can build a healthy community. Thank you so much, friends.